To set up TouchTakeaway, first you go to tillconfig.net and sign in your account. Click on the TouchTakeaway option. Here is where we set up our online store. To customize the design, click on Site Branding. Ensure the theme is set to Modern for new sites. To add a banner, browse for an image of your logo that is 500 by 110 pixels and click Upload. To add an icon, browse for an image of your logo that is 512 by 512 pixels and click Upload. To customize the highlight colors of your store, click here and enter the hex code of the color you would like. By default, further settings are set to show, but you can set these to off if necessary. Click Save. Go to Site Settings to set your site name. In this instance, the Touch In. Click Save. To customize payment details, click Payment Settings. Here you can enter either PayPal or SagePay details to enable online payments. Next we click on Delivery Options to customize. Here we can decide if we'd be happy to accept cash on collection payment. We can enable scheduling to allow the customers to book their order in advance and select a delivery date and time. Click Save to apply these changes. Next, go to Delivery Settings where we can enter our details and select Last Order Times, Opening Times and Delivery Times. We can also add a minimum spend and delivery charge. Exclude certain postcodes by whitelisting them here. Click Save. Finally, we can set up a percentage discount offers by entering a code, percentage amount, start end date and a minimum spend. Click Save. To set up your products included in your shop, log into your Touch Office web account and select PLU. In the Short Description panel, add a description of the product to be displayed alongside the option in your store. Click the tab for Webshop options, click Upload an image to include a product image. Browse and click Upload. Check the tick box Show on Webshop to include the item in your online store. From the drop-down, find the category you would like this product assigned to on your webshop. Click Save to apply your changes. If your products contain allergens, click the Allergen tab and click the appropriate allergen for the product and click Save to apply. Take online orders with TouchTakeaway.